Now the controller has no signal. Let me show you the IP address. Controller IP 037 and the computer IPs. Now let me show you how to connect the controller with Resolume. First choose Arena, then choose Preference, choose DMX. Here choose Family Controller, then choose Output, choose Advanced. Now let's add the first DMX Lumiverse. Here are the 3 ways to find the controller. The first one, you can choose Broadcast here. After you choose Broadcast, you can find out the controller has signal now. And the another way is choose IP address, and then write the same controller IP address 033 on the Resolume. You can find out the controller also have signal now. The last way, if you have connected the controller with Resolume successfully last time, next time when you all connect them together, you can find out Client Artnet here. So you can just choose Client Artnet. The controller also has signal. Okay, so the first Lumiverse is start from universe 0. Then let's set the figure. We can set larger figure here. For example, the maximum is that we can set 170 pixels. Write 117 here. Then close. Let's adjust the width here. Usually we write 1000. Then we can add more Lumiverse. So here also choose Client Artnet. So this universe should be universe 1. Also adjust the width here. And here also choose 170 pixels. So it will be universe 2 here. Also choose 170 pixels. Then it will be unit first 3. Okay, you can add more new methods here. Then choose Save and Close. Then we can try to place some building lighting effect. For example, we can choose Compositions. Choose Shop. For example, this building effect. We can return back. So now you can see the LED tube is light on, and the controller also has signal.